Dear friends, in this video we will discuss how to generate research topics or titles depending upon our research area. So we will cover it in step by step mode. So majorly there are three steps. First step is to identify a research domain in which we want to work. Second, identification of respective research areas. We will cover each and every segment separately. Okay, I will discuss about these parts individually. First of all, we are covering three major steps on generating research topics. Okay, so first step is identification of research domain. In which area we want to work. For example, I want to work in wireless sensor networks. Okay, or it may be internet of things, machine learning, deep learning, electronic health records, whatever it is. If you are from mathematics or management domain, commerce domain, so you can take your research topic, you can take your research area accordingly. Okay, so I'm taking this topic only for demonstration, wireless sensor networks, so that we can cover with practical demonstration. Okay, and one more thing we want to cover here, that is also very very important, that research domain should be taken, it should be selected depending upon your interest, depending upon your aptitude. Many times research domain or research area is selected depending upon availability of the guide, availability of research supervisor. For example, research supervisors are available on software engineering or machine learning or AI. So, but we are having interest or we are having aptitude in wireless sensor network. So many times we have seen that scholars, specifically new scholars, migrate to those topics which are dedicated to research guides, which are related to research guides. So rather than taking topic depending upon only availability of guide, we have to see those topics, those domains in which we are having aptitude or previous knowledge, because only then we will be able to work effectively. If I will take that particular domain uh, in which there is no prior knowledge, it is taken only depending upon availability of guide. In that case, it will be very difficult to move ahead. Okay, so this is the first step. Now second step, key recent research areas, which sub areas, which sub domains are related to wireless sensor networks. In this demonstration we are taking, so this topic I'm taking. So what I will do, I will go for extraction of some latest topics, latest research papers from Google Scholar. So you can see Google Scholar, some other portals are also available. Now I want to see research areas in wireless sensor networks 2025. Okay, obviously we are finding out latest research topics. So 2025. So you can see that security challenges. So we will keep on noting down these topics: security challenges and issues. Okay, so here I'm writing security. Okay, this is subtopic security and privacy, because some papers we have seen related to security and privacy. Okay, cyber security threats and defense mechanisms. Okay, so again, certain topics, security challenges. So I have not written anywhere related to security. I have written on, I want to identify those topics which are latest in WSN. So you can see security challenges. Now WSN and machine learning. So second, WSN and machine learning. Okay, so we are noting down some topics, some major topics. Hybrid charging scheme in WSN. Hybrid charging schemes. Okay, so In this way, we will keep on noting down the topics or sub areas. So you can see energy efficient multi-level clustering, energy efficiency. In this way, we will keep on noting down major topics which are latest and which are addressed by other authors. So you can see mobile sync, optimization, energy aware. So this topic we have already mentioned, energy efficiency. So on next page, we will see which other topics available. So we are taking the papers, we are taking the topics from Google Scholar. Okay, robust intrusion detection. Okay. Now one more portal we can take, ARXIV, that is preprint portal. That is the platform which is having lots of latest research papers in preprint version means which are yet to be published or very latest. So here I will write wireless sensor networks, and I will see which latest work, which latest papers are available on this particular domain. So you can see that cyber physical finite element sensor networks, shape measurement, okay, suspended patch antenna, okay, multi robot system. So this particular subdomain we can take. In same way, AI enabled system, okay, AI enabled WSN. So AI enabled WSN. So in this way, some particular topics we have taken, and we can keep on writing the topics. Okay, 5 to 6 topics we have taken. In same way, some other topics we can take. So you can see quantum WSN. This is also very new topic. Okay, quantum WSN. So what we are doing in this particular domain, in major domain of WSN, we have identified some sub areas, some subtopics. Okay, now out of these subtopics, we have to select that particular sub area or research area on which we want to work. For example, out of these so many subtopics we have identified, I want to work with energy efficiency, or I want to work with WSN and machine learning, okay, or quantum wireless sensor networks. Okay, for example, I want to take research topic on this particular domain, quantum wireless sensor networks. And one more thing we should be clear here, that we should not go for selection of topic depending upon ease, depending upon comfort. Comfort means many times it is seen that specifically new researchers try to take easy topic. Okay, do not try to take easy topic, because it will be very difficult for you to defend that particular topic if lots of work is already done. For example, I take this particular topic, energy efficiency in wireless sensor networks, because lots of papers are available on this topic. What will be the major problem? Major problem will be during DRC presentation or at the time of submission. At the time of submission or at the time of presentations, the experts may ask that, okay, what new you are doing. So it will be very difficult for us to defend what new we are doing, because whatever work we will show, that particular expert panel will say that this work is already done. So you also might have experienced it. For example, we are taking some easy topic, we are taking that particular topic on which lots of work is already done. In that case, very classical message comes that lots of work is already done, or whatever you are doing it is already done, what new you are doing. And that becomes very embarrassing and very humiliating. Rather than taking easy topic, go for the latest and difficult topic. For example, this is the latest topic, quantum WSN. So what will be the benefit of taking difficult topic or new topic? Because there will be very less papers on internet about this topic, lots of opportunities in publication. If we want to go for Scopus, SCI or Web of Science publication, there will be more chances of acceptance, because very less papers are available on that particular topic. If we are taking that topic on which lots of papers are available, thousands of papers available, hundreds of papers available, in that case it will be very difficult to publish. Okay, but if we are having a particular research topic on which very less papers available, in that case we will be having opportunity for good publication. So now I want to see which research area I want to go for, how to generate research topic on this topic. Okay, now we will come to third step. So this is first step, WSN. Out of WSN I have taken quantum WSN. Now out of quantum WSN I want to generate research topic. Okay, which topics I want to generate. For that I will go for a portal, that is consensus.app. Consensus.app, very prominent platform to find out future work. Okay, so this is my topic. On this particular topic I want to generate research titles, quantum WSN, and here I will write future work. So consensus.app will give me pro analysis of different research papers, different latest recent research papers, and it will give me future work. Future work means it will give me new titles, new topics, or new research segments related to this particular keyword. Okay, so you can see challenges and future direction. So you can see that it has given me this suggestion that WSN can be integrated to IoT, Internet of Things. WSN can be integrated to distributed sensing. WSN can be integrated to 6G wireless networks. So you can see that what I have done, whatever subtopic I have taken from this particular implementation, from this extraction, now I will go for consensus.app, and from consensus.app I will generate new topics. Okay, now depending upon this suggestion I will generate some topics. Okay, so first topic, quantum wireless sensor networks based. Okay, so what is the suggestion? Secured communication, secured communication in 6G networks. Okay, so this is first topic. Second topic, in Internet of Things, IoT. So two topics I have generated. Now out of these topics I will select finally which I will take. Okay, so these two topics we have generated. Distributed sensing. Okay, so you can see QWSN based distributed sensing in IoT. QWSN based distributed sensing in IoT. Okay, so in this way we will keep on generating the topics. So this is first segment. Okay, depending upon QWSN. Now if I want to take some research topics related to, for example, intrusion detection. Okay, WSN, intrusion detection. So I want to generate some new topics. Intrusion detection, wireless sensor networks, future work.